My name is Brian Flaskrud. It was just before Memorial Day weekend, that Monday in fact. Dr. Ramani. Being new to the area, I had to rely solely on online reviews, and that's what drew me to Dr. Ramani's office. I ruptured my bicep tendon. Dr. Ramani saw me right away. He moved with a sense of urgency. He asked pinpointed questions, and then shortly thereafter get the proper tests done to really kind of see how to do the procedure, or what the easiest procedure would be. And in the following week, I had surgery and it was repaired. My arm is feeling very, very good. I have a full range of motion. My strength is just about back. It's been 3-4 months now, so I feel pretty confident it'll be 100%. Absolutely.